Hello friends,
Hello, namaste. मेरा नाम है रीना
my name is Amir,
and welcome to our channel.
Life with a Russian Wife. So friend, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि आज से वेडिंग सीजन स्टार्ट होने वाला है.
Official.
वेडिंग सीजन दिवाली के बाद. और हमारे घर के आसपास भी एक बंदे की वेडिंग होने वाली है. बेचारे का विकेट डाउन होने वाला है. From bachelor he is getting married, so like poor. I feel sad for him.
Friends, marriage is really beautiful thing because you're getting so many benefits if you're getting married, if you're having companion till the end of your life.
And not only companion, you can get a friend with whom you can share each and everything. You will never feel alone. आप कभी अकेला महसूस नहीं करेंगे. और अगर आपकी तबीयत भी ख़राब होती है तो there is someone who will look after you.
There is someone who will be loving you, taking care of you, and the most beautiful thing is that you're creating new part of a family, that you are becoming someone who is responsible for another person, and it is really a beautiful thing. But marriage is not only about love, care, beautiful things, and pink sunglasses. Marriage can also have their own drawbacks, and there can be some struggles. When you're married, you can face these struggles. So, do you think we did not face any struggles, or even till now, we do face them?
We have faced a lot of troubles. So if you talk about struggles of marriage, so you can say in India there is a arranged marriage and love marriage. So if you do arranged marriage, जैसे आप arranged marriage करते हैं, so there are struggles can be, let's say if you fought with your wife, आपकी वाइफ से लड़ाई हो गई तो आप किसके पास जाओगे? पेरेंट्स की बात कि आपने कैसी वाइफ मेरे लिए सिलेक्ट करी है, शी इज़ लाइक दिस, शी इज़ लाइक दैट. सो अरेंज मैरिज के भी अपने कुछ ड्रॉबैक्स हैं और प्लस पॉइंट भी. और अगर आप लव मैरिज करते हैं एंड स्टिल यू आर फाइटिंग, देन पेरेंट्स विल से you chose this person.
It was your own personal choice, so cry by yourself, do not complain. But if there is arranged marriage, there can be troubles that you can, in the beginning especially, not understand your partner. You can have some difficulties in, matching each other's tastes, matching each other's likes and dislikes. So in the beginning especially, it can be as a struggle for you. So lucky us, we got a love marriage.
Yeah, that's true. And और struggles की बात करें marriage के, so there is a problem of selfishness. Some people feel like, oh, I do not like this habit, I will not do. Like if I want to watch some particular movie, so I will watch this movie. I do not care about मेरी wife को क्या पसंद है, क्या नहीं
ये
पसंद है.
मेरा life, ये मेरा choices. I do whatever I feel like. I don't give a shit about anything.
Yes, so sometimes you have to adjust according to your spouse. और struggle in marriage में bad habits भी काफ़ी बड़ा रोल प्ले करती है. बिकॉज कभी कभार क्या होता है कि लोगों की हैबिट क्या होती है कि सीढ़ी पे बैठे हुए हैं, बाहर कहीं बैठे हुए हैं, और घर में आए डायरेक्टली बेड पे बैठ गए, सोफे पे बैठ गए, तो बाहर के बैक्टीरिया आप यहाँ ले आए. सो समटाइम जैसे मेरी वाइफ रशियन है, इंटरनेशनल, सो अपने घर का बहुत ही ज़्यादा उस सैनिटाइजेशन से रिलेटेड ख्याल रखती है. सो when I got married, every time, she used to tell me, oh, you came from outside, wash your hands, change clothes.
It is mandatory. Outside clothes and house clothes are different. In Russia, we do change clothes while entering the house. It's not only about this habit. Everyone can have their own smoking, drinking, or I do not know, sitting till late with friends, playing games. So everyone has their own habits. But if you're going into marriage, you have to consider that if your better half does not like some of your habits, you have to compromise at least this much, at least some bit, but you have to change little bit of your bad habits. So now my love is coming home, changing clothes, and even now he does not have habit to sit on the stairs because it's dirty. Ye ganda hai.
एंड स्पेशली आई एम नाउ रिमूविंग माई चप्पल आउटसाइड इन माई हाउस. जब भी मैं बाहर से आता था, आई कम इन साइड विद माई सेम चप्पल जो मैं बाहर घूम रहा हूँ. अब यहाँ मुझे बाहर अलग चप्पल उतार कर रखनी पड़ती है, घर के लिए अलग अरेंजमेंट है. सो इट टेक्स टाइम टू डेवलप दिस हैबिट, बट यू शुड डू विद अ पर्सन विद यू लिविंग विद. अदरवाइज it leads to fights and all, like you do not listen to me and other stuff.
So better get rid of your bad habits. Bad habits are not helpful to anyone.
Yeah.
Being a girl, I will say that I would like to know each and every step of my husband. I would like to know with whom he's talking on phone, where he's going, how much time he's spending with this or with that person. I know it also can count as a bad habit, but to be honest, I'm not the only one. If you will not speak it out loud, but if you'll think within your heart, then each and every of us are the same. Whether it's boys or girls, we like to know where is our love, where is our better half is spending time with whom he or she is talking over phone, what he or she is talking over phone. So we want to know each and everything. And if you will think within your heart, yes, you will say, yes, maybe I do not speak it, but I feel the same. And of course, this can also lead you into fights and into struggles. So now I'm trying to control myself in that, but still, whether I want or not, I would like to know about each and every telephone call, each and every message, or where he's going, with whom he's going. Although I'm trying to, keep it myself little bit down in that.
भाई नॉट ओनली कि कहाँ जा रहे हो, अगर मैं दूसरे कमरे में भी जाता हूँ ना तो शी इज आस्किंग कहाँ जा रहे हो दूसरे कमरे में क्या करूँगा भाई तो ये भी प्रॉब्लम है बैचलर लाइफ के। क्या करूँ, कोई पूछता नहीं है, लेकिन शादी के बाद तो भाई बीवी को बताना पड़ता है भाई कहाँ जा रहे हो, नहीं जाओगे नहीं बताओगे तो फ़ोन आएगा कहाँ हो, इतनी देर कहाँ रह गए, किससे मिले, कितने लोग, ना कंप्लीट रिपोर्ट देनी पड़ती है.
It's not only boys are giving reports. If for example girls are going somewhere, boys also like to know where are you going, what time you'll come home. Even if you're okay that your husband or your wife are going and spending time with their friends or going somewhere and talking to someone, still he or she will expect that you will come little earlier, that you'll not spend so much time with another people, that you'll give your all 100% 24/7 to your husband or to your wife. Everyone expects the same, I know.
मम्मी ने फ़ोन पे क्या बोला मुझे बताओ, क्या क्या बात हुई, मम्मी ने क्या बोला, मेरे बारे में ज़रूर कुछ गंदा बोल रही होंगी.
Definitely it does happen, okay? Everyone wants to know. So this point also sometimes can lead you to fights, and it can be as a struggle of the married life.
That's true.
But if you are marrying a foreigner, it does not matter whether you are marrying man or woman. It can give you more struggles in the married life, because you see there can be different cultures, different traditions, different tastes, or different even lifestyle pattern of living. So you have to consider that if you are not adjustable enough, if you're not flexible enough, then you can face some more troubles and difficulties while being married.
Friends, of course, one of the problem is clothing, because foreigners, they like to wear European clothes, skirts or dresses. They like to go outside with that clothes. But if you talk about going to families prefer करती हैं कि बहू आई है, so बहू will wear Indian clothes, suit, traditional like this. So sometime if you don't have but understanding, so it can lead to fight the why I should wear.
Now, a girl is telling why I should wear, boy saying no, you must wear, and then there can be fights. Although I love to wear beautiful traditional clothes, but I wear those clothes only on occasions, only on festivals, because for my comfort, it is, to be honest, not that comfortable. So I keep Indian traditional clothes for beautiful occasions when you look like a Maharani.
और बात करें फूड डिफरेंस की, सो देर इज़ ऑल्सो सम टाइम प्रॉब्लम नहीं कह सकते, बट फॉरेनर्स दे लाइक टू ईट लेस स्पाइसी फूड, एंड बीइंग इंडियन मुझे स्पाइसी फूड ज़्यादा पसंद है. सो लेट्स से इफ़ यू वांट टू हैव अ हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप, so whatever your wife cook you should eat, even if not that spicy, you should appreciate, otherwise it will lead to fights. So many people are fighting with the foreigners by, oh mujhe masale pasand hai, every day I want to eat some Indian, some spicy. They do not care about what your foreign wife likes to eat.
That's true. Although in our relations we got lucky because we eat all types of food, Indian, foreigner, European dishes, anything, spicy, not spicy. I hope you like the way I
No, I
cook.
like all type of food. Even Russian food I very like.
All right, then it's really good. And one more point, whatever we hear from people after, especially they are marrying in love marriages, that people are families mostly are not allowing girls to work after marriage. That is really sad.
नॉट ओनली फॉरेनर, आई हर्ड कि इंडिया में भी काफ़ी ये थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम रहती है कि हस्बैंड डू नॉट लाइक कि वाइफ वर्क पे जा रही है, क्यों जा रही है, आई विल अर्न फॉर माई फैमिली, वाई यू गोइंग. सो इट लीड्स टू फाइट्स एंड क्वारल बिकॉज वी आर ऑल्सो ह्यूमन बींग्स. सबकी अपनी अपनी विशेज़ है. मे बी शी लाइक्स टू वर्क, इरीना लाइक्स टू वर्क, सो आई नेवर स्टॉप हर डूइंग वॉट एवर शी वॉन्ट्स.
And friends, one more thing, it is not just the work, it's not just what you're dressing up, what you're wearing, or what you're eating. Whenever you marry, you have to consider that the main important thing, freedom. You have to keep your own personal space with yourself, and the same you have to let your love, your partner, your spouse also feel free to do whatever he or she wants, because freedom is the main thing which we are sometimes missing, especially in the relations. We are cutting freedom of another person. We are cutting it while forcing him or her to get rid of the things, to do this or that things, whatever he maybe or she does not like. So being a foreigner, freedom is really important. You know, you cannot put a beautiful bird who is singing outside in the beautiful golden cage with the diamonds and force this bird to sing 24/7. It will not work like this. That's the same. It does not work with the woman whom you're marrying or with the man whom you're marrying, to put it in the cage and let this bird sing in the way like he used to sing or she used to sing, like the same way like he or she loved you. So you have to give each other freedom. Freedom of choices, freedom of everything.
राइटली सेड. सो जैसा कि अभी बताया रीना ने, वेरी वेरी गुड थॉट्स, वेरी गुड पॉइंट्स. अगर आप इसको फॉलो करेंगे सो यू विल हैव अ हैप्पी लाइफ. बट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट point is that wife is always right.
That's true. There is a saying, happy wife,
Happy life.
so stick to this line, stick to this point. Your motto will make you happy, and your marriage will be always brilliant, happy, loving, understanding, and you will never regret that you married him or her.
That's true. And if you like our today's vlog, don't forget to press the like button
and
subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the
Bell icon.
so that you will be notified for the latest video. And
So, see you in the next video, friends.
bye bye.
Bye bye.